Hey there, I'm Larisa Makuch of Abundance Academy, and I am here to share my experience with the PACE training. So I'm really excited to be here. I work with clients and really help them break through mental barriers into unstoppable confidence, authenticity, and empowered lives. And I work with clients both one-on-one in a breakthrough setting and also in a group setting through some of our elite programming and workshops. Now, I've been around for a while and I've heard about PACE from so many colleagues before I even attended it. And as soon as I did, I completely know why they were raving about it. So first and foremost, Alan and Tara, they are amazing human beings who just ooze passion about what they do. They are so professional, they walk their talk, and they have extremely high integrity in what they teach. So just absolutely love them, and I can't say enough good things about them. When it comes to the training itself, they took the breakthrough process and simplified it in a really structured way to maximize the results that we're getting for clients even faster. It's super organized. Everything is set out step by step. So you know exactly what phase of the breakthrough you're in, where to find your materials, how to work with the clients, and how to troubleshoot along the way. So instead of just a couple hours in a training where we get the breakthrough process for a review, we literally spent 3 days going step by step, reviewing each part in that context. So that was huge. I think one of the things that I really liked that was a differentiator is each session is set up to end on a high note. And the entire process is really set up to be an empowering experience that just makes sense for so many clients. So this, I wanted to just show you, you've probably seen this, but this is a binder that has all the scripts in it and it has everything you need, right? It's all really organized, and each one of these is a different phase of the breakthrough process. So if you've done trainings, you have a coaching binder, and often that coaching binder is you assemble it from many, many different places. It is quite an ordeal. And so this is beautiful because you get clean scripts, they're organized, and you know exactly where to find what in a simple, strategic way. You also get this personal breakthrough workbook, which you can print for each client, and it's a guide so you can follow along and know where you are through the process. It's got great checklists for frames and for really making sure to check on certain parts of the homework. It's got some suggested tasking that is common to most phases and some additional suggested protocol to consider at each phase of the process. So it's designed and split into 6 phases. So I love how they've really integrated the tools in ways I've never considered before. And that gave me a really intellectual way to stimulate my mind and look at things from a practitioner's point of view. So it's kind of like nerdy coach play where we get to just talk things through and look at how techniques and tools can be used more effectively for ourselves and for clients as well. So this was super, super fun to attend. And I highly recommend it from a workshop perspective. I've actually recommended it to several colleagues and coaches that I know. I've sent them messages and 3-way introductions because I absolutely know the power that the PACE breakthrough process has to be a total game changer for any coach out there, for anyone that does NLP processes. If someone's an NLP practitioner, this is something you need to do. If you're a master practitioner, there is no reason you should not be doing this. This will just make everything so much tighter and so much more solidified. You've got the tools. This will help you elevate the results you can deliver for your clients. So I have completely replaced my former breakthrough processes with this one as a basis for the work I do. And from the clients I've worked with so far, it's been a complete game changer. Great results. I absolutely love it. And just wanted to send out a big thank you to Alan and Tara for putting this together, because it was an incredibly supportive, incredibly powerful and empowering opportunity for myself and also for the other people in the group and in the training. So you really made things simple, you made things straightforward and meaningful so that we can become better coaches and we can serve people to the best of our abilities in our respective fields. So I love the mission that you guys are on to help coaches become even better coaches. And that is what the two of you truly, truly are. So thank you for creating this beautiful process. If you are considering attending the workshop, I highly, highly recommend it.